And storm chips. You can't forget the storm chips. They are calling for some crazy weather. Snow squalls coming off the lake. Freezing rain. Massive power outages. So in case it's going to actually happen, we want to get prepared. So we are going to gather up some jerry cans to make sure we have gas for the generator. We're going to get some feed for our livestock, make sure we have food for the layers, make sure we have food for beans. And then we're going to do some other things around the house, because it's better to be prepared than not. This is how we get prepared on the Wilderstead. Are we ready, Dave?
I think so.
Woo, let's go. First up, animal feed. We have this great shop, J&H Feed, that we get all our feed from. So Larry, yep, that's it right there. You got the goat? Yep. Just getting our feed for our livestock, so we're ready. Are you ready for the start?
Never. Never ready for anything.
Okay.
Just how it goes. This is Hillary, J&H
Hi.
Feeds. So if you're in the Gooley area, up in this section of Algoma, this is where you come to get your feed, okay? Bruce Side Road, just off 552, right?
East, yep.
Okay, we are ready now. We have fuel for the generator, fuel for our animals, our goat, our chickens, fuel for us, and storm chips. You can't forget the storm chips. Dave? Dave? Dave,
Uh-huh.
how's it going?
Good.
Dave's work on the generator. We haven't used it in almost a year. So
Since we were off grid,
we
I
have
don't
to
think we fired it up at all since then.
make sure that it works.
Because they're calling for widespread power outages. Whether or not they happen, who knows. I want to be able to watch my YouTube though. So this here is the off-grid YouTube machine. Without this, there's no YouTube.
It's a magical machine. Have you tried it out yet? Just pulled it out? Okay, fingers crossed. What? YouTube!
Okay, that'll do us. 40 liters of gas to go with it. So that's like probably like a week of running it every now and then.
It's like 50 YouTube videos. We're set. Okay, what's next?
Get some buckets, 5-gallon buckets full of water, probably 4. We can melt snow to flush the toilets. We just need drinking water, cooking water, washing water.
Okay, let's do it.
Probably want to rinse them out. I think we'll pass on that one. That one's okay. 3 of them. And this carboy should do us. We can also go to that spring if we need to.
Yeah, if you remember last year when we went off grid, we didn't have electricity to our well pump, so we went to a local artisanal well. Dunster wants to help.
Sir, you want this?
Who says water prep can't be fun? Who says storm prep can't be fun? So now you filled up the 3 buckets.
I don't think we're using this one.
Oh no, why?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, no, not using that one.
No. Dunster, you're not doing your job, buddy. That is gonna have to be like filled with bleach.
We have 3 buckets of water ready for us and for the livestock if needed.
It's deceiving because it's a beautiful day.
It is beautiful. It's above freezing, sunny. Now we need to fill up the chicken feeder. You can do that by yourself, right?
No.
We have this chicken feeder we got. It's great. Holds a whole bag of feed.
Actually, it's gonna hold 2.
Probably holds, yeah, at least a bag of feed. Oh, yeah, they're hungry. I can't even wait for Dave to finish.
You know the storm's coming. Steve, slow down. I'm gonna choke. Steve over here, he's like the Andre the Giant of chickens. He's not a turkey.
Are you a chicken? Steve, are you a chicken? Should have called him Igor.
Igor?
Don't worry, Caddis. We have enough of your food. If we don't, you can have some of the storm chips. What do you think? You want some storm chips?
You can have a storm chip later, okay, when the storm starts. You don't want the storm chips till the storm starts.
And Beans has goat ration as well as a whole lot of hay. He's decorating. Are you decorating, Beans? So all these, yeah. There you go. He's got hay on all his trails. You don't want to eat.
For you, Beans. You want a treat?
He likes his horse treats, apple flavored.
That's all though.
But his Christmas tree has seen better days.
Yeah.
That Christmas tree.
He likes to have his beard scratched.
Oh yeah, that's the spot. Are you ready for the storm, Beans?
You ready for the storm? I don't have any more treats. My pockets are empty, dude. Sorry.
You might be thinking, well, what are you gonna do about heating and cooking during a powder outage? Well, we have that nailed down because we already do almost all of our cooking and all of our heating with wood. We have a massive wood stove in the house that has enough surface area that we cook all of our food on that, and we are ready to go. And if we need something cooked in the oven, this is our secondary cooking. This is our pizza oven.
One more thing that could be very important, and we're going to have to make it accessible. Because melting snow did get really annoying when we were doing the off-grid stuff last winter. So we'll just get ourselves ready now. So that in the event of an emergency, we're okay.
Are you gonna be a minute?
Yeah,
Okay.
a couple minutes.
Okay. I think we are ready if there's a widespread power outage. We have fuel, we have fire, we have water, we have heat, we have everything. We're set.